Very clear that US politicians are increasingly being informed by the type of scientific conspiracies that you would expect to see in screenshots posted to Facebook, circulated on WhatsApp, discussed on podcasts, and so on. Combined with an appetite for the systematic destruction of government medical and scientific research, I can't imagine that this trend is going to turn around anytime soon. So I guess we've just got to accept the fact that just like the rest of the population, politicians' ideas on science and health and medicine will be dominantly influenced by what is most likely to get traction on social media. Not what is correct, not what is published in peer-reviewed medical articles. What that means is that throwing more high-quality scientific and medical data at the problem isn't going to do very much, because nerdy, data-based content is not what goes viral on social media. Fear, intrigue, and emotionally evocative themes are going to win every time.
Was indeed this idea that there is a lot more going on in human decision-making, not only among individuals, but even more importantly among groups, than this idea that information drives behavior. And so Eddie began to formulate this idea that you had to look at things that would play to people's irrational emotions. And you see, that moved Eddie immediately into a different category from other people in his field and most government officials and managers of the day, who thought if you just hit people with all this factual information, they would look at that and say, oh, of course. And Eddie knew that was not the way the world worked.